Hello active traders, I'm Ken Calhoun, president of TradeMastery.com, coming at you here on my birthday, January 19th, 2019. I hope that you're doing well as we start off a new year. We've got exceptional volatility in this recent market rally. We'll see if it continues on up or if it fades back down. In any case, I wanted to share with you some of the alerts and the charts that my SwingScans members got last week, and you can see how well they worked out overall. Almost all of them did extremely well for our members. So if you're not yet a member at www.SwingScans.com, that'll forward you to the right page at Trade Mastery. Take a look at it. We've got previews and more coming right up. As always, we'll be taking a look at the very best charts. All information is for educational use only. We're not making any advice about what to buy, sell, or hold. And by watching this, you agree to not make actual trades. It's all for learning in an intelligent, focused learning environment as we move forward. So let's take a look at the charts, eh? So here's the one of the first ones that our members got last week, Under Armour UAA. It ran all the way from 17 to 20, right? What a nice big mover. And they were alerted about it a week ago. Next up to bat is Canopy Growth CGC. You can see it's got a good uptrend, 45-degree angle breakout continuation play, and that's a good start. It may well continue on up moving forward as well. Next up is Huya, did kind of a bullish cup pattern, not yet quite at new highs. Next up, they were alerted to Square SQ. A lot of the cannabis and CBD stocks have been doing especially well, and SQ you can see ran from 66 to 72 in just the last couple of days alone. Another good one is Teva Pharmaceuticals, TEVA. What I like about this chart is that it's held its own and it hasn't pulled back, and it is hovering here right near 19, so we'll see if it continues on up. Another chart that my members were given was TQQQ. I trade this one every single day, mostly for day trading or overnight swing trades. One of the strategies that I urge people to think about is either short-term swing trades of from 2 to 5 days round trip duration, or looking for overnight holds and selling the gap up. We're seeing where it goes from the gap up. So that's one. Another one that my members were given was LABU, and yet another was TNA. So really good breakout charts in our current markets. If we briefly look at those on the daily, and also there's some inverses in case the whole market pivots and goes back down, then TVIX will pop, as will LabD. So those are two that I trade as well. But on the directionals, you can see TNA has been going up the last couple of weeks. These are the 90-day charts, just briefly so we can see where they're headed. When you look at charts, one of the things that I help my traders with, the reason why SwingScans.com is so popular, is I do all the heavy lifting. I get out there and I figure out the charts that have the best trade potential, and I look at things like the pre-existing strength of the trend, the candlestick patterns, the directional volatility, the point range, the volume profile. I do all that heavy lifting for you guys so you can focus on educational trade management instead of scanning and finding what's worth looking at. Now, of course, my members also get specific entry triggers. Again, it's not trading advice, but resistance areas above which where one might want to paper trade and practice. But look how well Square worked out. So these are all good uptrending instruments that have good directional volatility that look to be really good plays moving forward. And these are charts that all of my SwingScans members got last week as well. So I do urge you to consider joining our SwingScans community. You can just remember SwingScans.com, and that'll forward you over to the Trade Mastery page that has all the information, including a free preview of the members area, so you can see exactly what the alerts tables look like. You can download a few earlier recordings. Again, what SwingScans is a weekly training series. Every single Saturday at 10:30 Eastern, I do a half-hour to 40-minute live webcast for all of my SwingScans members around the world, and I answer questions. We go over the upcoming week's top charts, and we also record those for download in case you don't feel like being there Saturday morning. I get it. There's days where I feel like sleeping in on Saturdays too. I haven't done that in over 15 years, but I get it. So the point is, you can download the recording as well as see the alerts each week in the members area. And there's a preview of that at the website. So hope to see you there. I wanted to wish you all the very best for successful trades. Let's knock it out of the park with bigger winners more often. You know, trade with intelligence, trade with focus, trade with clarity, trade with pattern recognition and trade management skills, and let's do well out there. So take care and best wishes for trading success. I'll see you guys next time. Bye for now.